Hi guys, Danny here at vicrez.com. Today we'll be looking at how to properly install our Vicrez VZ3 side skirt splitters model number vz100692 for all 2011 to 2019 Dodge Chargers. These side splitters are not only one of my favorites, but I personally think they give your Dodge Charger a cosmetic upgrade and aggressive look people desire to achieve. With racing-inspired aerodynamics and sleek design, the side splitters deliver that notorious edge the Charger is known for, without compromising on the flexibility and durability of the materials, with no painting required. The Vicrez side splitters are manufactured entirely in the USA. They're engineered with top-of-the-line machine CNC cutting technology to ensure a precise fit, giving it the ability to strengthen high-speed stability and magnify cornering speeds. Now let's look at how to install our side splitters. First, you need to safely jack up your car. Next, wipe down both sides of your side splitters to remove any dust or residue. Once you've given the side splitters a wipe down, mark your spots for the self-tapping screws. Try and keep the distances even. Make sure to use 1-inch self-tapping screws. Next, you will need to place the side splitter underneath and line it up perfectly. Use some support to keep the side splitter in place. Now that you've successfully aligned your side splitter, you'll need to go along the markings on your splitters and drill in the self-tapping screws. Make sure that you drill as accurately as possible and all the way through using an electric drill. Once you finish drilling through all the markings, make sure everything is fastened securely. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos and our newsletters for exclusive promotions and discounts sent to your inbox.